Hi everyone, this is Marsha here, and today we're going to be solving a 6-marker logarithm question by using the logarithm proofs. Now let's have a look. So the question is asking you to clearly show that this whole logarithmic equation is equivalent to minus log of 4 base a. So your final answer needs to be in this format. Yeah. So the first term, log of 36 base a, I don't need to do anything really because I don't really have anything here as of now. So you just keep it the same way. But on my second term, I can see that in front of my log base a, I do have a half. Yeah. So what it means here is that I need to use the power rule. So what's the power rule? Yeah. For the second term, I need to use the power rule. So the power rule says that n being the power is log of base b a. Okay, so here the n in this case is the half. The log of base b is log of base a in this case, and a is just 256. In what format does it need to be written as? So the formula needs to be written like this. So log of base b, a to the power of n. So that means log of base b is log of base a, and 256 to the power of a half. Yeah, to the power of a half. So now let's focus on the third term. We've got 2 log a 48. Yeah, again, I need to use the power rule. So this is going to be what? This is going to be log of a 48 squared. Okay, so now we can rewrite this nicely. Log of 36 base a, then log of plus, plus from here, plus log of 256 to the power of a half base a, minus log of 48 squared to the base of a. Yeah. So now you can see that I've got the same basis, the same base here, which means I can use for the first here, for the first two terms, I can use my product rule. Yeah, my product rule. What does the product rule says? When you have a plus sign and the same basis, these can be times together. So group them up. Log of base a is 36 times by 256 to the power of a half. It's actually what? Square root of 256. So use your calculator. So square root of 256, that's actually 16. So does it make sense where the 16 came from? 16, I'll just show it here. So 256 a half, it's simply what? Square root of 256, and that is equivalent to 16. Okay, so log of a is 36 times by 16, take away by log of a 48 squared. Okay, so log of a, 36 times by 16, so times by 36, that's 576. So log of a is 576, take away by log of base a, 48 squared. What's 48 squared actually? That's 2304. So 2304. Because I've got a minus sign and the same basis, I know that I can use the quotient rule. Okay? So what does the quotient rule says? When you have a negative sign in between the same basis, you can actually divide these two. Okay? So it's going to be log of a 576 divided by 2304. Yeah? So 576 divided by 2304. That's 1 over 4. So log of a 1 over 4. Okay? Again, that can be converted. So log of a 1 over 4. So I know that my final answer needs to be in this particular format here. So how do I get that? I know that I can do the quotient rule again. Yeah. So that's log of base A, 1, take away by log of base A, 4, right? Because I know that the logarithmic rules tells me that anything to the log of 1 is equal to 0. So this becomes 0. Take away by log of base A, 4. So your final answer, as you can see, it is minus log of base A, 4. And this will give you 6 marks. Thank you.